If you're not peeking properly, you're basically running around with a big "shoot me" sign on your back, like my co-host.
Alright, today we're diving into one of the most important skills in Standoff 2, peeking.
Welcome to the Headshot Club!
Unstoppable.
Peeking is all about positioning, and there are several techniques to make sure you're the one doing the shooting, not the one getting shot.
First up, we have the short strafe peek. It's quick, it's subtle, and it's perfect for gathering information without exposing yourself too much.
But the key here is to move in and out of cover fast. You're just trying to get a briefly look of where your enemies are or take a quick shot.
Yeah, think of it like popping your head out of a window for a second.
Exactly. Now let's talk about long strafe peeks. These are more aggressive. You're moving out for a longer time, trying to secure a kill or control an area. It's riskier, but if you got the aim, it can pay off.
Or, if you're me, the enemy doesn't stand a chance. But remember, the longer you're out there, the easier you are to hit. It's like standing in front of a target range, except you're the target.
For the best peeking experience, we have a cool promo code for you with 10 Fable boxes. Enter it in the game or website and let us know in the comments below what you got. Next up, let's talk about shift peeks. This is where you move slowly and quietly to surprise the enemy. You want to be sneaky, catch them off guard, and get the jump on them before they even know you're there.
The key here is to use shift to move silently, especially if you're low on health or trying to hold a crucial position. You don't want to give away your location too early.
And on the other end of the spectrum, we've got the running peek. If being sneaky isn't your thing, then just run out guns blazing.
It's great for close-range fights where you need to catch your opponent off guard and don't care about making noise.
But be smart about it. Don't just charge in without a plan. It works best when the enemy's not expecting it, or if you've got a teammate to cover you.
Combining these techniques is where the real fun begins.
You can mix short peeks to gather info, then shift out for a quiet approach, or even go aggressive with a running peek when you see the opportunity. The key is to keep your opponent guessing.
Yeah, don't be predictable. Switch it up.
And remember, your health, your weapon, and the situation matter too. If you're low on health, play it safe with short peeks.
If you've got full HP and a rifle, go aggressive. Adapt to the situation, and you'll do just fine.
Last tip, don't forget about your team. If you're peeking, make sure you're not blocking your teammates' shots or exposing yourself to crossfire. Good team coordination can make or break a game.
Or, you could just run out and hope for the best. Sometimes chaos is its own strategy.
What the unique strategy?
Unstoppable.
Anyway, that's it for today's peeking guide. Try these out in your next match and let us know how it goes in the comments.
Yes, and while you're down there, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. I mean, who wouldn't want more of our expert advice?
Exactly. We'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to peek before you shoot.
Unless you're me, then just shoot.